Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you the ultimate guide on how to buy phone accessory from 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see the ultimate guide to buying phone accessory from 1688 shopping app. So let's begin. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Then having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you source for an item. There are so many ways by which you can use to source for an item on 1688. One of the first way to source for an item on 1688 is to simply come to the search engine right here. What you need to do is to come to the top, simply type the name of the keyword of the item you are looking for. So you can type the name of the item in English language. You can say phone accessory, phone accessories, then click on search. Then in a few minutes, you are going to see so many results as far as phone accessory keyword is concerned. Now you can refine the item based on the new and the what exactly product type you want. Alternatively, you can also make use of the Chinese character keyword search. So for you to do that, let's head over to our Chrome Google Translate. So if you don't have Google Translate, download, install on your phone. Google Translate is a free app for Android user and iPhone that you can simply download all for free. So I'm going to, as you can see right here, I have it already successful installed on my phone. So what I need to do is to simply open it. Now, when you open it here, what you need to do is to make sure that you set your language here to be English, while you set this one here to be in Chinese character. So I'm going to come to the top right here. We just type in phone accessories. Then automatically it converts it to Chinese. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here just to copy the Chinese character. Then we head over back to my 1688 shopping app right here. So I'm going to close this tab right here, and then I will click and hold down. I will paste the Chinese character. Then I'll click on search. So we are going to see so many results as far as the Chinese character search of phone accessory is concerned. Alternatively, we can make use of this particular camera icon right here. We click on here. Then we select the picture of the item. In a few seconds, it's going to read it and provide us with similar results, just like what you see right here. Now, from this point here, we can simply select a supplier to patronize. Okay, now what I need to do here is to simply click on the first link right here. Then it's going to take me to this particular page. Next thing we want to do here is to see how we can add this item to cart. And for us to do that, we simply come down here, click on here to add the item to cart. Then it's open up to this particular page. This is where you need to add the item to cart based on size and the quantity and the likes. So from this phone accessory here, I need Samsung Ultra S24. So I will just click on here to add it to cart. I need just one piece of S24. So I will add it to cart. I need S23 Ultra. So I have to scroll down and look for S23 Ultra. So we have it right here. Samsung S23 Ultra. I will just click on here simply to add it to cart. So next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add everything to cart successfully. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to check on another store and see how we can add multiple items to cart on 1688. All right, so from this particular store right here, I need to buy some stuff. So what I need to do here from this store is to also add an item to cart. So we have to click on here to proceed to the product detail. Right here, this item here, MOQ is just 10. So automatically by default, it's already in 10. Next thing I need to do is come down below here and click on here to add it to cart successfully. So after a successful add a 2 item to cart, next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to fill my cart. So all the items is going to be found right here. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to select all the phone accessories. So the next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, I need to simply scroll down. And then at this point here, so I have to make sure I scroll down to the bottom. Then the next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. The next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. So right here, payment done, successful. Next thing I need to do here is to simply go back to my profile. And for me to access my profile, I need to click on back. Then from the point here, I have to click on here to head over to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the new accessory we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So we have it right here. So this is the first one and this is the second one. Basically, this is the ultimate guide to buy phone accessory on 1688 Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation with 1688. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Starval, Pinduoduo, or Hidofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.